진짜. 좀
should have Mila Kunis show here as well.